Hello guys, my name is Thủy. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to show you guys how I make DIY turtleneck. Winter is officially here and it's very cold outside. I decided to make my own turtleneck and show with you guys. I hope bringing you guys an easy way to do. Now, let's get started. I built up this fabric with gold knitted material and I chosen it in white because this color is really easy to mismatch with any items. I use my own knitting t-shirt which is similar material, super stretchy, to make pattern. Now I got all of drafting here. Front and back are almost identical each other. Two sleeves I want to cut a little bit longer to cover my hand, as well as two sleeves that are identical to each other. And collar, I'll cut a rectangle with 28 cm width and 34 cm length. Alright, let's start with connect front and back at the shoulder and slip into the armhole. I'm using sewing machine to sew them together. It's really quick. Then sew both sides together from the entire sleeve to the end of the body. Moving on to the turtleneck, I fold it in half and serge it. Then I turn the right side out but in half and pin it into the neckline and overlock it. Last step, I fold the bottom of body and the end of sleeve to sew the hem to finish the turtleneck. And here is the final result. Hope you enjoy it and see you next week. Bye!